Morning, afternoon, and night, so I catch you whatever time you're at, okay? Hey, my truck is wrecked. Kind of like saying goodbye to it, I guess. Back bumper made it. Crinkled one of the exhaust pipes a little bit. Taillight made it. One of the bedside's still pretty good. And one door. I think the bumper's just pushed over. Well, anyways, I'm gonna miss this truck. I bought it at the auction for $700. I put a front clip on it, painted it. Oh well. I can replace my metal. I can rebuild this truck all day long. I can't replace my kid. I'm lucky he didn't get no broken bones. He just got scraped up a little bit. So I'm pretty lucky. He's pretty lucky on that. We're both, I guess, thankful, I guess. Anyways, I'm going to have that other truck on here in a little bit here, and I'll be back in business. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe, share. Have a nice day, have a nice life. Happy tow trucking and all that happy horse shit. And film the police. I've been starting to do that. Film the police. You might save somebody's life, maybe. Later.